Yeah.
She's not a mannequin though. She's not a mannequin. She's a doll, a real doll. Joe Don Dolls out north of town here. She built her. The face, this part here, she used to make all those too, but this one here is special from France. They ordered it from France. The guy over there built, a real famous guy built this head and the bust. And she put it all together, stuffed the legs. It's not a mannequin, it's a real doll.
Real doll.
5 foot tall. Now that's a mannequin there. He's a mannequin. And this is what the kids need today. Every one of them.
If somebody learn a lesson,
I teach them, if they're not learning, they're gonna get this.
he have a good student.
Huh?
A good student.
Oh,
A good student.
he's a good student. He don't need whip. No, he don't need whip. I need to color his hair though. It needs hair dye. We're gonna fix that though. We're gonna make him dark-headed. That's how they used to do it. The old wood stove to go on and stuff. Guess who took care of the wood stoves back then? The boys. Teacher didn't do it.
Yeah.
No, I picked her up last week. I thought it'd be a good thing. I thought when I first seen her, I thought she'll make a perfect school mom. And she put perfect in there.
Yeah, that is perfect school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's dressed up a little fancy, but you know, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah.
She wouldn't have gloves if she was a regular school mom, but they came with her, so I left them on there. Yeah. You ever watch Little House on the Prairie or any of those shows? I need to get me a piece of chain. Transfer casket. In other words, when someone dies at home, he would use this. This came from Chillicothe to carry the body to the mortuary, to the funeral home. Or you could use it like I've got it set up now. This cart here is what you get on the railroad cart. So if you wanted to ship one from one town to another, then you can put it on there and they pick it up like this, take it in. And that's what it is. Here it is, I'll open it up for you. And I had that body sitting in it.
Oh, they have some crossing.
Yeah, I put that in there just for that dummy to sit on. So that's what it is. I call it a wake casket because a wake casket, when somebody died, they'd stay up with them all night to make sure they just died or they might start breathing again. They would lay him out at home. And I think, what was it? One of those guys made a song up about that, sitting up with the dead or something like that. Sometimes they would put in a casket, they would put a bell in there with them. They tie a little bell through their finger.
Yeah.
And if they heard that bell ringing, they wouldn't bury them. Because they didn't know back then. You know, those people went into coma and stuff like that, you know, and things, and they couldn't, they looked dead, thought they was dead, but they weren't dead.
Yeah, unconscious.
Yeah. And so, wouldn't you hate to be buried like that? And another one they did, they put a little bell on the outside and they put a string inside there and tie the string to his finger. If he moved, that bell would ring, you see. So, they didn't know.